Hello, and thank you for visiting Wealthy Coin Shiba Inu once again. The CEO revealed the hidden price pump in just 48 hours. When price action follows a U-shaped pattern of falling and rising, then quickly moves sideways or downward, a cup and handle pattern is formed. It should be noted that a common resistance level provides the basis of the price trend. Once the price breaks over the resistance level, the cup and handle pattern typically comes to an end. On August 14th, when SHIB's value had risen 27% to 0.000016, it did the same. Please like and subscribe to this video in which we discuss the Shiba Inu CEO's revelation of a hidden price pump. If you want to see our most recent films where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, then you should subscribe to our channel and share them with others right now. It is time to begin the film. Using the pattern's lowest point and the opponent line as a starting point, we can calculate the cup and handle breakaway goal. This suggests that by September the price of Shiba could have increased by 50%, reaching 0.2253. Beyond a statistic indicating that SHIB's burn rate increased by 825% in a day, with the quantity of burned SHIB being valued little over $4,500, there were no discernible reasons for the 27% intraday price spike on August 14 in the Shiba Inu market. But during the course of its existence, the Shiba Inu network has spent more than $6.36 million on SHIB tokens. Moreover, the Shiba Inu rise occurred about 10 days after Binance announced that its European payment cards will now include SHIB support, which contributed to a failed cup and handle breakout and a pullback from the 200-day exponential. An initial correction towards 0.1306, 20% below the price on August 14 could be possible for SHIB if the moving average is near 0.1755. The daily relative strength index has over 70, which typically results in a period of consolidation or correction, which might cause the Shiba Inu's cup and handle setup to fail. Recent indications of recovery in the cryptocurrency market may herald the beginning of a bull run. Some individuals still have no idea what the future holds for some cryptocurrency holdings. Among these assets, the future of the well-known meme coin Shiba Inu is a topic of discussion. After a massive price surge, SHIB market worth is back up to $7.5 billion. It would be the fourth consecutive week with a positive closing price for Shiba Inus if tomorrow's trading is successful. Was trading at 0.00001549, up 23% in the last day. The last time this occurred was in late September 2021, when the price hit an all-time high of 0.88. The Shiba Inu bull activity has been eagerly anticipated by the SHIB army, who have remained loyal to memecoin. The aforementioned spike helped alleviate concerns about SHIB, which had just fallen more than 85% from its all-time high. Changes in Shiba Inu are largely responsible for the recent bull market activity. While Ethereum's financial sector has issues with network congestion and expensive gas fees, the Shiba Inu community is anxiously awaiting the debut of Shibarium Layer 2. This further highlights the launch of Shibarium, which promises to expedite and reduce the cost of transactions. Meanwhile, this quarter should see the launch of the Shibarium public beta testnet. In the fourth quarter of 2022, the metaverse and the Shiba Inu NFT ecosystem are scheduled to be launched. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales have been aggressively shifting their holdings around, according to data compiled by Whale. These whales have Shiba Inus valued at more than $179.34 million as of August 13. These properties have undergone a tremendous transformation since they were valued at $600 million on August 3. This signifies a decline in trust among the community's market maker whales. Investors in SHIB have seen a huge increase in their profits today, even with the whale factor. According to Sanction, the MARV ratio jumped significantly and remained at 23.32%. Since growing prices offer immediate returns, this can also be used to suggest that Shiba is becoming more attractive to short-term buyers. The Shiba Inu Fuzi has soared in the past 12 hours, reaching levels exceeding 90. Assets in this overbought zone tend to be more expensive. This may also indicate that prices will rise again soon. According to CoinMarketCap though, Shiba Inu investors can start enjoying the trip today. Ranks among the top 15 cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inus were recently in the headlines of cryptocurrency news when on June 27, 2022, with a vote of 97.88%, the much-anticipated Bone Farms proposal became the fourth token in the Shiba Inu Shiba ecosystem to be used for staking, yield farming, trading, and incentives. The other three tokens are Shiba Inu Leash, Shiba Swapo, and Bone. When it came to Bitcoin markets, July was a little better. Among the cryptocurrencies, Ethereum saw the most increases from buyers anticipating the merger. Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrency initiatives have also done this. The Shiba Inu showed some improvement as well, although the burn spot on shib was still very evident. The dead wallet received $4.76 billion worth of Shiba Inu coins in July, as reported by shib Burn. One transaction burned $6.6 million worth of Shiba Inu tokens, and another burned $1.3 million worth of tokens. The burning persisted into August and affected 505 transactions in all the burn portal states. In a single day on August 1, 32 separate transactions burned 216,487,442 shib tokens, as recorded on the burn portal. April saw its release. The burn gateway for Shiba Inu has been actively reducing the supply of shib tokens. Each token will hopefully become more valuable as a result of this. Still, results have been less than expected. Token prices have remained unchanged despite the burns, at least for the time being. The development of the game is being assisted by Playside Studios. The developers have also revealed that the game would be playable on Android and iOS devices. Additionally, this year is going to see a plethora of releases from the project. Many are eagerly anticipating the launch of their Layer 2 coin Shibarium. In addition to their stablecoin Shiba and prize token Treat, Shiba Inu will launch another coin called Shi. A number of industry insiders have speculated that the fact that Ethereum powers the blockchain for Shiba Inu and related coins like Leash and Bone might be a contributing factor to the breed's meteoric rise. A much-anticipated update to Ethereum's blockchain might be available as soon as mid-September, according to the project's creators. On Monday, Ethereum's price increased by 1.6% while Dogecoin's price increased by 2.5%. Dogecoin is a meme coin based on Ethereum's blockchain. Indicative of the return of the average trader is the fact that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu both experienced breakouts over the weekend. Do not place too much emphasis on the Shiba Inu's ascent, warned Monday a message from Alpha Impact's Hayden Hughes, a social trading platform. There may be a lot of people who are passionate about the Shiba Inu currency, but it's really just a very unstable token with no real worth. Some traders were able to cash out their savings when the market was at its peak, and they made a tidy sum. It appears to be a pump and dump, although I am unaware of the current situation. On a day like today, shib's value might fall just as fast as it rises, according to one Reddit member. A lot of people have excellent sales opportunities. However, it should not be forgotten that the token, which originated as a memo coin, overnighted immense wealth to all of its investors. The price of Shiba Inus could rise later today, so now is the time to stock up. So concludes today's session. Approve it while you're at it. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, like, and share the channel.